Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get free stocks on Robinhood. Now first of all, open the mobile application of Robinhood, and once you open it you will be at the home page. So from this section what you can do is just click on the profile button from the most right side, and once you click on the profile, so you will see an interface like this one. So from left upper corner just click on those three lines, and once you are into this section just go to the first option, which is rewards. So just click on rewards, and once you click here, as you can see, invite a friend, get $500 to $200 of stock. Now this is how you can get the free stocks in the Robinhood. Each time a friend signs up, so you will see a profit or you get a profit. You can also click on how it works and see everything, like how is it working, or you just click on it. You can just follow up the process if you want to check how to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Otherwise, you can just click on this option, which is inside the profile, earn rewards. Just click on earn rewards, and now as you can see, Robinhood Financial get up to $1,500 of stock a year when you invite friends to Robinhood. So just click on this option, and it will be like you will be sent to the same page which I have visited before. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get free stocks in Robinhood. This video is just for educational purpose, not anything else. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.